students, standard third, subject value education, and topic all are equal. Student, here what you can see on your screen? Yes, two people you can see, student. One man is wearing a good clothes. Yes, and it's looking like a rich. And the other man is look very sad. Yes, and we can feel that he is a poor man. So let us talk more about the rich and the poor man in this lesson. Yes, and about the equality. Okay. Student, what you can see here? Yes, there are two pictures here you can see, student. One picture describes a small kids. They are not working, means the parents are working in that place, so they have came with the parent. Yes, and this time they, what is the age? Maybe nearby 5 6. Yes, so what they used to do in this age? Yes, they has to take the education from the school. Yes or no? And in the second picture what you can see? Yes, the student, the school students, they all are getting a proper education, proper learning, proper knowledge on that time, because the family, the parents are earning much more. Yes, so student, this is the difference between this children and this children. Yes, might be their parents are very poor, they belong to very poor, so they cannot find out the school for them and they cannot pay the fee. So that's why they are working like this. Okay, and here, of course, they belong to a good family, they are doing the work, yes, and the students, the small kids, they are going for a school. So student, what you can see here on your screen here? Yes, you can see here in the first picture you can see students. Yes, a boy is like college boy, we can say college students. Yes, and in the second picture, a mother and a girl. What they are doing? They are, yes. What is the background here? Yes, it's a kitchen here. What we do in the kitchen? Yes, we cook food in the kitchen. So student and this boy, they are having some exam paper in their hands and they are just going through it. And here the girl is doing a cooking work in the kitchen. So student, what this picture tell us about that? So in our country, in our India, we all should respect women. Yes, the girl should treat as boys. How the boys get the freedom to go anywhere, like to go with friends, to go here, there, picnic, resort, movies, whatever, etc. So girls should also have that freedom to go out, to be free, to share their things with their friends, with their family, with their mummy, with their father. Yes. So we should all respect as boy as girl also. Yes, there should be no any partiality between them. Okay, so student, what you can see here? Yes, a gender equality. So student, so we should not do any partiality among the girl and the boy. So for us all are equal. The girl and the boy, the both are having the same respect, the same responsibility. There will be no any partiality between the girl and the boy. So our today's topic is students, all are equal. So let us talk, let us learn more about equality. Okay. So student, here a story began. So the story is the soldier queen. Here, I want to ride the elephant like him, said the little girl. No, you can't, said her father. He is the prince Only princess ride the elephants. She made an angry face. Student, you can see here. Yes, a elephant and the prince. Yes, and a small girl here. What she said, student, to her father? What she said? She want to ride the elephant. Yes. So what his father said? He is the prince. Only princess ride the elephant. And what happened? She made an angry face. Student, when you go for a shopping or market with your parents, if your parents say, no, you can't buy that thing, I'm not going to give you that. Okay, whatever. Then what happened to you? You became angry or no? You started crying at that place or you became angry. Yes? So like that. The little girl lived in the palace because her father worked there. She was treated like a princess because she was a sweet little girl, brave, smart, and educated, like the royal children. Student, here you can see a picture of a princess. Yes. So student, she used to live in this beautiful palace. Why Because her father worked there and she was treated like a princess there. Because why? She was a sweet little girl, brave, smart and well educated like a royal children. Now here, the prince teased her and would not let her ride the elephant with him. Please, father, let me ride the elephant, she asked again. No, daughter, he said. It is not your place to ride an elephant with the prince. So student, what happened The prince teased her. To whom? To the princess. Yes, what is teasing? No, you don't have to sit with me. Yes. Then what happened afterwards? Look at here. She wanted to ride the elephant, but the prince doesn't allow her to sit on it. And what prince is doing? The little girl, she is requesting her father. What? Father, please let me ride the elephant. She asked again. But what the father told No, daughter. It is not your place to ride an elephant with prince. But one day, I shall ride not one but many elephants. You wait and see, said the girl boldly. And she did. She married the prince and became the Rani of Jhansi and the brave queen, dressed like a soldier, carried a sword and rode to battle to fight against the English. Students, you know what happened afterwards? What that girl said to that boy, means prince. She said that, you wait and you see. One day I will not ride one elephant. Many elephant I will ride. And after that what happened? She did that and she married the prince. And then she became a Rani of Jhansi. You can see student here. And the brave queen, she dressed like a soldier. and carried sword and rod to battle to fight against the English. So here student, why it is important to treat all as equal. Student, why it is equal to treat all as equal? Yes, you see how a brave and clever girl could become a queen and a soldier. There are many brave and clever women like the Rani of Jhansi in our country. So student, so in our country or in any other place, the people should treat all as equal. There should be no partiality between girl and the boy. Okay. There are also many hardworking women and able women who do so much for us. What about your mother? Do you see how much work she does the whole day? Some mothers go to work and look after the house as well. Student, there are so many hardworking women in our world. Yes, in our country also. And you know, students, they used to do the household work and the outside work also. If a mother is working out in the office, in the school, in the bank, in the hospital, etc. So she used to do that work, and she used to look at after the house as well as also. Yes. So women work as teachers, nurses, as police officers and in offices. Women can fly planes and fight as soldiers. Student, yes, of course. Women work as teacher, nurse, police officers and in offices also. Women can fly a plane also and fight as a soldier. So that much power student women have. So you should respect always women. Okay. Students, whose picture you can see here now? Whose photo it is? Yes, very good student. Who was she? Yes, she was our first woman prime minister. What's her name? Yes, her name her Indira Gandhi. One even became the prime minister. Who was she? Yes, she was Indira Gandhi, our first woman prime minister. You can see the bravery of girls in the following story. So here you can see the pic of a college students. Yes, some college students went on an outing. They went to swim in lovely pool, jumping from the rocks and having a lot of fun. And suddenly, you know, student, what happened? Suddenly there was a cry. Where is Robin? Robin. Robin. Has anyone seen Robin? So student, one day what happened, you know, some of the college students, they went and outing. Okay, outing means to go out, like to fresh themselves, to be relaxed, whatever, like. Okay, so what happened, they went to swim in a lovely pool. You can see student here. Yes, this is a picture of a pool here, and jumping from the rocks and having a lot of fun. Yes, student, just remember your days when you went to a resort and everything. When you went to a swim, yes, there was a this thing, rocks and jumping from a rocks and having a lot of fun, whatever. Like, okay. Then what happened suddenly? You know, there was a cry. What cry? Where is Robin? Robin, Robin, where is Robin? Like that. Has someone seen Robin? So might be Robin have missed out the place. Okay. Wow, student, you can see here the pic of bottom of the ocean here. Yes. Okay. Robin had a cramp in his leg and had quietly sunk to the bottom. Atul jumped in. Nitesh jumped in. There was no sign of anyone coming up. Then Dan and Neelam jumped in too. They all went under the surface searching for Robin. Atul and Neelam came up holding Robin. Brave young boys, brave young girls too. Student, what happened you know? Robin had a cramp in his leg and had quietly sunk to the bottom. Atul jumped, Nitesh jumped. Okay, there was no sign of anyone coming up, coming back means from the water. Then Dan and Neelam jumped in too. They all went under the surface searching for whom? For the Robin. Yes. Then after what happened, you know, students? Atul and Neelam came up holding to whom? To Robin. And they are so brave, you know, students. The brave young boys and the brave girls. They hold the Robin and they came up from the water. So student here, the meaning of sunk means go down below the surface of something, especially of a liquid. Student, what this lesson teach you? Yes, there is no any partiality. Yes, so there is no any inequality among the gender means she is a girl, she can't do anything, he is a boy, he can do anything he want. No. So student, what this lesson teach you, you know? This lesson tell us that girls are as brave and as clever as boys and should be treated with equal respect. Yes, of course, we should always respect to the girls how we do with the boy. There will be no partiality between girls and a boy. We all should treat it with equal respect for the boys as well as for the girls. So student here, in your home, color in blue the task your mummy does. Color in yellow the task your daddy does. Color blue and yellow the task that both do. Okay? So cook meal. Who cook meal? Yes, mostly mamas, but you may have seen your father also cook. I know. So you have to color this task. If it does from your mother, then you will color in a blue. If father, then the yellow. If the task does from the both of side, then you will color blue and the yellow. Okay, cook meal, clean house, drive the car, give your fees, teach you, pay bills of light bill, water bill, whatever. Then go for a shopping. Yes, with whom you are going for a shopping? And iron clothes. Who do the iron of your clothes? Okay. Given below are numbers from column A. Write the alphabet with the matching statement from B against the number. Student, you have to match the column, okay, here with the matching column, with the matching B, like when mummy is tired, what will happen? Children should help her. Yes or no? So when mummy and daddy are resting, what you should do? Do not disturb them. So student, like this, you have to match it. Okay. So student, let's do something here. Yes, the activity time now. Okay. Write the names of some women you respect. My mother. You have to write your mother name. Do you respect? Yes, of course, students. I know you respect all of us. So your mother name here. My teacher. You have to write your teacher name. A lady principal. You have to write administrator's name here. A lady nurse. When you visited a hospital, then you can write a nurse name. Okay. Any other lady you admire. You can write any other name. Okay. Like a grandmother or aunt, whatever. Okay. Write the names of some man you respect. You have to write the names of some man you respect. Of course, your dad. Okay. Then my master, a favorite sports hero, a grandfather, any other man you admire. Okay. You can take your parents' help here, students. Okay. Here, the other activity now. Find out the names of the following great people. Stick as many pictures as you can find in your scrapbook. A lady prime minister, a lady police officer, a lady governor, a sports queen in India, first prime minister of India, and a great scientist of India. So student, what you have to do is that here you have to stick a photo of that great lady, means great people. Okay. So student, I hope you understood the lesson and you will respect all of us. There will be no partiality between the girl and the boy. Okay. You have to respect all of us, especially the women's. Yes. So thank you, students.